coming to my channel to watch my video. I haven't been filming in a while because I've been extremely busy with work and school and my kid. So I had some free time, decided I should do a video. So I do use a lot of the daylight for my lighting as well. But because it is rainy and gloomy outside, my lighting just sucks today, so I apologize. If you're in person, it does look a lot more greener. It appears not as green on camera, but it is a little bit brighter. This look, it's pretty simple. It's not really that hard. Just follow the steps and you can do it. Please keep watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe at the bottom, and I'll talk to you guys later. So let's get started. We're going to take a fluffy brush. I'm going to go into Tarte's Pro by Tarte palette. I'm using the color Whimsy. It's more of an orangey tone color. I'm going to put this right at my crease, a little bit above my crease, and really try to blend all of that out. This palette is really nice because it's very pigmented, so you really can build up a lot of color just by putting on a little bit and adding a little bit more. Once I buffed all of this out, the next color I'm using is No Filter in that same palette. It's more of like a medium brown color. I'm going to put that right into my crease. This is going to create a little depth to my eye. And I'm going to make sure that I buff all of that out into that first color as well. Next color I'm going to use, this is coming from the Coastal Scents palette. It's going to be like a sage green color. It's on the very bottom, fourth one in. This color is a little bit of a darker color. I'm going to put this right to the outer corners of my eye and blend inward into my crease and kind of blend it with those other two colors that I put on before. And I'm going to take that first brush with the same color Whimsy and just buff that color out again so it really pops. Next thing I'm going to do is take a greenish to teal color and pat that all over my eye from that Coastal Scents palette. These colors are really pigmented as well, so you can add on a little bit at a time and just build up that color. Taking that color Peacocking from my Too Faced Natural Lost palette, patting that all over my eye as well. Gives it a little bit more brightness. Then with my color Vintage and Tarte's Tarte palette, I'm going to highlight my underbrow and also the inner corners of my eye. Next, I'm going to take a makeup wipe and just clean up the edges and any fallout that fell from my eyeshadow. It's easier to do your eyeshadow first and then do any cleanup and then put on your foundation later. With my e.l.f. black liner, I'm going to line my top lash line. I decided for this look I'm not going to be using the liner for a wing. Instead I wanted to create a more soft wing, so I'm using Punk in the Tarte's Pro palette. And with a flat brush, just applying that to the edge of my eye to create that wing. And then I'm going to use a small little fluffy brush and blend all of that out. Next, I'm going to prime my face. You can use any facial primer or moisturizer. The one that I'm using currently, I will link below. And I'm going in with my Bare Minerals Bare Pro in Flax and dabbing this all over my face with a beauty blender, and then I'm going to blend that all out really good. Next, I'm going to use my e.l.f. translucent powder. This color is in clear, just to set under my eyes, my forehead, and my chin. And with a big fluffy brush, I'm just going to dust all of that off. Next, I'm taking my Anastasia Brown Zig powder in Cappuccino and contouring my nose, my cheeks, my forehead, and my chin. Next, I'm going to just conceal under my eyes, my chin, my forehead, and the bridge of my nose. And taking a beauty blender and blending out all that concealer to my contour. And just taking some banana powder, and I'm going to bake my face. I'm starting with my chin. I could do my jawline underneath of my contour, under my eyes, up to the bridge of my nose, and my forehead. Going back into my Tarte palette, I'm going to take a fluffy brush and blend those three colors underneath my waterline. And with my NYX Professional Makeup eye pencil in black, I'm going to line my waterline. And I'm also going to drag that down a little bit under my waterline, just to smudge that out. Next for my eyes, I'm going to add some mascara. So I'm using the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara in black. And I'm going to apply this to the top and bottom lashes. And with a big fluffy brush, I'm going to just dust off all that banana powder that I used to bake my face. Lastly, I'm going to line my lips with NYX lip liner in nude. And I just broke it, but it's okay. Everyone has mess ups. Continuing on, I'm going to line my top lip and my bottom lip. And next I'm taking Peach Buff by Maybelline. This is number 540. This color is really pretty. It's a really pretty pink peachy color. And I'm going to use this on my top and bottom lip. And with my lips together, I'm just going to blend that all together. And this is the final look. I decided not to do a blush because I really like the way that it came out. This look is super easy for any beginner. Just follow the steps and you can do it. Sorry guys, my hair was crazy. Homegirl was looking like a hot mess. But if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and comment below if you have any input on my makeup or suggestions for next video. Thanks for watching.